Hey guys, so today I got a couple of busted light bulbs in my Honda Element. I got one reverse light over here that's not working, and I have the center brake light which is not working. And I got these LED lights to replace them with. These are from Nilight, and today we're going to show you how to swap them out. As you can see from the video that one of my brake lights, my middle center brake light, is not working, and one of my reverse lights is not working. So we're going to fix that today. Alright, so let's take a look at these. So for the backup, for the brake light, you need this 7440. I'll leave a link in the description for it for you. But you need a 7440 compatible bulb. So that should be what we have right here. And for the reverse white lights, you need this 921 compatible. Again, I'll leave that information in the description for you. So only one of my reverse lights is bad. It's this guy right here, but I'm going to swap them both out anyway with this newer, brighter LED light. And then after that, we're going to swap out this center brake light, which is also out. Okay, first we're going to start with the reverse brake light. And after you unscrew that, you should be able to take this guy out. Alright, there's a peg right here, so that's what you're going to need to break out. Alright, so this peg should be in there like that. So when we put it back, we'll slide it in and push it in, okay? But for now, let's locate the reverse light, which is this guy. Okay, get rid of the cobwebs. And there's the bulb. So that's it. So here's a look at the old bulb. This is an old incandescent, and here's a new LED. It's going to be brighter and more efficient. So installing it's really easy. That's it. So you go back here, screw that back on, turn it to hold it in place. Now we're going to reinstall it. Put it in that hole and then click it in, okay? You can feel it, it slides in, and put these screws back in. Be careful using a power drill if you want to use the screws. You don't want to strip the heck out of it, okay? So just be gentle with that. And that's it. That's how you replace the reverse white lights. So I don't want it to be uneven, so I'm going to swap this guy out too. And it's real fast to do the next one. That's it. That's how you replace the reverse lights. Okay, so up here, there's these tabs right here that you on both sides that you need to push down to remove the cover, and it slides out really easy like that. We're gonna unscrew this guy. Well, what you do, there's a tab on this, so you push the tab, take him out, then you unscrew him, and there you have it. My bad bulb. So here's a look. Here's the new LED, and here's the old incandescent. So take that thing, you just push it in. Real simple. I gotta push this in first. Lock it in, then you put in this tab. And that is it. This goes back on the same way it went off. Clicks right in. Really easy. So we'll come back in a few hours and take a look at my new bulbs. Alright, so let's test out the lights. Here's the rear brake light. And let's turn on the engine and try the reverse lights. Alright, awesome. Looking good.